Today I'm playing tour guide again, and if you can see in the background, we are at UPGARAGE, but I'm actually with someone who's a bit of a YouTuber from Australia. His name is How, and we'll talk to him in a little bit, but first things first, we need to go to Tomei because we've teed up a really nice factory tour for him, so let's go check it out. Alrighty, we just arrived at Tomei. We're gonna head inside, meet up with Itsuki-san, and start the tour. Let's go, boys. So we're currently inside the Tomei factory, and these here are blank cams that then get grinded and turned into new cams. And you can see here that this is like the waste product after they grind all the cams and what it looks like as it comes out of the machine. It's kind of gross. And I'll show you really quickly what the machines look like. This is what freshly grinded cams look like. And this is the machine that does all the grinding. So if you slide that back there, that's where the cams are. And you can see right now that it's currently working on RV26 cams. And it's really cool actually. And come back around here. And this is what all the waste looks like here. It's pretty cool. It's like all just metal grindings. So all of these are blank cams and they're waiting to be thrown into the machine and grinded. And you can see that like all the lobes are just rough and need to be grinded to each individual specification. It's really cool to see so many cams like this in a pile. So we're just currently in the engine building room, which is very cool and kept at a constant temperature that's the same. Got a couple of Subaru heads here, and looks like Subaru blocks there with torque plates. Always use torque plates when boring blocks. It's like a back to school 101. Some nice billet forged pistons, crankshaft. Lots of cool things in here. We'll see what else we can find. Check it out. Looks like a Genesis 26 here. Another 26 getting overhauled. Everything is just painted in brand new condition. Whole bunch of gear sets on the bench here. Super cool watching these guys work. So this is where a lot of exhausts get welded up, like the titanium ones and things like that, all the custom ones that they make in their kind of workshop here. And there you go, some of their titanium kits there. One thing that stood out to me was I just noticed a whole bunch of spare JZX100 diffs in this box. So much want, I just want to take them all. Look at all the random titanium muffler parts in these bins. It's kind of cool. They've also got their FD car that they're working on right now going over because it's driving next weekend at Odaiba. There's a big event there that this will be getting driven at. So it'll be cool to see this thing out and about on the live stream. So we're now in their R&D room, which is super cool to see all their cool parts out. Remember these Tomei turbo elbows, guys? I've proven these instant 70 horsepower gains. It's ridiculous what you get out of those turbo elbows. This looks like a JZ crankshaft with rods. The reason why I know it's JZ is because the RBs don't have as much as a good oil pump collar is what that has. Bunch of really, oh cool. They've got the VQ motor there. That's kind of cool. Didn't know that Tomei worked on those. Nice headers there and stuff. So it's the R&D room. You're going to see a bunch of cool stuff in here. Nice 26, nice EJ20, EJ20, 22, Niten ni. So it's EJ22, so it's stroked. That's cool. And so that's kind of cool to look at. This is going to be going in the engine dyno room in a second, which we'll look at in a little bit. But it's just cool to like look at all the fine touches on these motors, like just Tomei Genesis badges and things like that. Super cool. So this is all the controls and stuff for the engine dyno room in there, and that's like the CCTV camera and stuff where you can listen for everything and watch it. But this controller, I was like, oh, it's like a boat throttle, and they said that's exactly what it is. It's from a boat, and they installed it and everything for the engine dyno room. That's cool. Well, look, another EJ. I think that's out of the BRZ, right?
Damn.
Bringing out an NA,
Yeah, NA.
SR for this guy because it's his favorite motor.
Yeah, ITBs as well. It's insane.
Yeah. 何馬力ぐらいこのエンジン?
これ 2.2 で220ぐらいです。
So this is a 2.2 strokered NA ITB SR20 and it's running about 220 horsepower.
220 horsepower
From an NA.
Yeah,
that's good. And the torque range would be awesome.
Insane.
Yeah. Spotted a VVTi 1J with their new turbo kit. So this is their new exhaust manifold that bolts up to their new turbo kit and everything for it. And it's quite nice. The casting looks super cool. Definitely a really good bolt-on kit for anyone looking to upgrade their JZX100s. Super cool. currently in their warehouse, just looking at all the things that I wish I could afford to buy. And then over here they've got another little workshop where they do a bunch of like their valve guides and torque plating and a bit of diagramming and things like that here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so it was fun hanging out with Itsuki-san, getting a tour of Tomei again. What did you guys think? Did you like it?
It's insane.
It's cool.
Crazy.
Good to see in person, right? When you start like ordering like parts from Tomei and stuff like that in Australia. And I know like Hal's bought quite a few parts actually from Utsukushigaoka's website. So it's kind of cool to see where they originated from, right?
Definitely.
That's cool. All right, so we're heading to UPGARAGE now. Show these guys around in there. I'll show you guys as well what's there. And let's get to it. Who wants to see a video on me dumpster diving the dumpsters at UPGARAGE? Because there's definitely some more interesting things in here sometimes than in the store, especially when it's full. Yeah, GTR. Oh my gosh, what?
Look at GTR floor mat.
Should we take that? I mean, it's in the bin. I just found this Zeta2 for $300. It sucks that it's red. If it was black, I'd totally get this for the $33. Damn it. Would have been perfect as a passenger seat. I love the old Zeta2s. And it would have matched at least my bride Zeta3, because having twin brides is better than having mixed and matched with Recaro and bride. These party seats are still here. Go check them out on Kruba. I'll put a link in the description. Just getting ready to leave UPGARAGE and checking out this old Datsun Sunny Ute. It's pretty cool. Guy's got the whole rear of it loaded up as well. Man, I love seeing these things driving around. It's so good. This thing is cool. FDRX7. Some Advent Racing TC2s. You guys know how much I love my Advent Racing wheels. It's really nice actually. Loving the kit. Super cool. Next to this little K car as well. They rolled in together. These guys were mobbing in. It was cool. This thing's cool. Look at it. I really need to like meet some people that are into the scooter motorbike scene here in Japan and get them to take me out, because there's a whole different like genre and area of things that I could be showing you guys if we can connect with them. This guy Hal literally just goes, hey man, do you ever get like sick of eating ramen? What planet are you from? No one ever gets sick of ramen, especially in Japan, the land of ramen. Well, actually, some people would get very angry at me for that, especially Chinese people like my mother-in-law. China invented ramen. The Japanese perfected it. Even that's controversial to say. I'm sorry guys, don't hate me. Super stanced out BMW here. Some tight fitment. It's pretty cool. Yo, check out this stanced Prius. Super flushed fitment. God, I love Japan. Okay, so we just had lunch. It was a good time.
It's actually really good. I'm surprised how good it was.
Yeah.
It's a really strange like mixture.
It is kind of like, it's like Japanese kind of cultural style like fusion Italian food. It's very weird.
Reminds me of Sizzler.
Yeah, it does. It's got the Sizzler colors. Cool, so I wanted to give Hao an opportunity to just tell you guys about his channel and what he's doing in Australia. So it's all yours, man.
So literally what I do, my channel is called How You Feel, so it's H-A-O-U as in like YouTube, and Feel as my girlfriend, so it's like a cool little pun sort of thing. So I own the Sneaker Laundry, which is the first Australian care customizing restoration sneaker place. So we do cool little artwork on shoes, reconstruct shoes, and we also do cleaning products. And I also have a clothing brand, and we do YouTube as well.
Cool, and he's also got a pretty cool 180SX build happening at the moment too.
Yes, you guys, yeah. I'm actually trying to steer my channel to cars. That's why I was like, hey Sam, literally, let's go do nothing but car content whilst I'm in Japan. Yeah. Because he's the man to go to. Yeah. So if you're into good kicks and 180SXs and cool hoodies and clothing and stuff like that, go check out his channel. I'll put a link down in the description. But yeah, it was awesome to hang out with you and show you around, man. I'm glad you enjoyed. I appreciate it. Like if you guys ever come down here, come see Sam. Cooked it up.
We got it. You guys already know that on my way home I had to stop by Starbucks to get myself a nice caramel macchiato. Definitely after last night's coffee tasting, my taste buds and everything is just ruined. I didn't get to sleep till 3 AM as well. I had so much caffeine in me. So we need to reset my palate and everything and just go back to a good Starbucks macchiato. And then we're gonna go to the PO box on the way home. So let's do it. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. It's getting dark enough for me to turn the lights on. Check it out. Here it is, the magic. Oh, pop headlights, oh my God! Okay, so I'm home, and I figured this would be a great opportunity to do like a little bit of a mail time video. I got 4 items here that have all come in the PO box recently, and let's go through them, open them up on camera, and I just want to encourage you guys really quickly. If you want to send me anything, stickers, anything, literally anything, I encourage anything. The PO box address is down in the description in every video. So if you do want to send me something, it's there, do it, and it'll get opened in a mail time video. So let's start off with this little guy here. Looks like a bunch of stickers. Let's just... Is that everything? Yeah. Okay. So this looks like a bunch of kind of like retro looking cool stickers. I don't know. Like, look. Datsun saves gasoline stickers. That's kind of cool. So stitches and sounds, motor trimming and car audio. So it looks like an upholstery kind of car audio company based in Australia by the looks of that. Check out stitches at live.com.au. Yep, it's Australia based. So I guess go check them out. And they sent me a whole bunch of other stickers. We care for kids. Burnouts against bullies. Okay, there you go. That's kind of interesting. And a couple folded stickers, which are their company again. So that's kind of cool. Thanks so much, guys. All right, cool. We've got this one now. It's a nice padded bag. Oh, stickers are all inside cardboard too. Okay, so it's Brisbane JDM. Guys, go check these guys out on... I'm dropping stickers everywhere, man. Hang on. Go check these guys out on Instagram. It's just Brisbane_JDM. They do a whole bunch of really cool JDM posts and stuff like that. I've met the guy. He's a really nice dude. And every time I bump into him at the track, I'm always taking him out for passenger runs. So it's good fun. So yeah, also, guys, if ever you're on track and you've got pit pass and passenger pass, please ask me for a passenger run. If I'm free, I will definitely take you out. Let's go for this one now. This one's already open, but this one's looks like a written letter as well. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. Drift Spec Tune-Up. That's cool. I love it. It's like green and kind of shiny. It's hard to see, but that looks super cool. That's definitely going on the car somewhere. And then they've got this other sticker too. Hang on, it says something in Japanese. Dori sutairu. Dori sutairu? I don't know. Anyways, that's kind of cool. Kind of looks like the Hadouken thing. Anyways, let's read the letter real quick. Hey Sam, keep up the great drift content on YouTube. Hopefully we can visit you next time we're in Japan. Enjoy the stickers. dorisutairu@gmail.com. So go check them out. Maybe they make cool stickers. I'm not entirely sure what they do, but go check them out. That's kind of cool. I love this green sticker. It's super baller. Alright, now we've got this one here. Looks like it's got a letter too. Is that everything? There was a lot in there. Yo, this is cool. It's like a little weeb kind of anime, like air freshener. Does it smell good? Ooh. I don't know how to describe that smell, but it smells good. But yeah, check it out. It's got like a little anime character on there. It's kind of cool. It says, so scare around it. Some other stickers here. Oh, this is cool. Kohai Racing with like the Nismo old school livery. That's sick. I love that. That's actually really cool. This is going on the car for sure. This is cute. I need to look up some of this Japanese. I don't know what it says. I'm sorry. I'm really bad. I know that that's ku. I know that that's no. I know that that's ah. I don't know. I'm terrible at this. And then there's some other cool stickers here. Hang on. Maybe there's something here that says what it is. Kohai class. Okay, that's kind of cool. Kohai as in like under senpai. So you know how there's Kohai senpai, then like shacho. So that's kind of cool. These stickers actually look really baller. Another Kohai Racing one. Here's a thing. Another air freshener and handwritten note. I hope this won't get lost. Hey Sam, it's Broombot from... What? It's Broombot from Discord. Hope you like the stuff I sent you. Man, Broombot, this is awesome. I love this stuff. I didn't know you were like into this kind of stuff. That's awesome. Alright, guys, if you are not in the Discord, please go join the Discord. Link in the description. Yeah, it's a really cool community, and it's so awesome to see some of you guys sending me some things. That's sick. Alright, cool. So that's everything that I have right now. I mean, I know it's not like a whole bunch of stuff, but obviously, you know, as the channel gets bigger and stuff like that, I'm sure more will come in and we'll make like more of just a mail time only video when it is necessary, as well as maybe mail time live streams. So if you guys have anything, absolutely anything that you want to send me, the PO box address is down in the description. it would actually be super cool if I came back from my trip that I'm about to leave on to Australia and there was just a whole bunch of stuff at the PO box to go through. That would be super baller. So anyways, that's that. And yeah, thank you again so much for everything you guys have sent me. So we're up to some late night shenanigans, aren't we, babe?
Yep.
We've got to fit this fender in this Miata with May in there as well. So this is going to be fun. We'll see how it goes. So this is what it looks like inside the Miata. We're gonna be okay though, because I can still shift and I got room for both of my hands on the wheel. I mean, it was already cramped in here, but this is an R33 front fender that we're sending to someone who bought it on Yahoo Auctions. It's the right side, not the left side, so it's not the one I need for my car to fix it, but it's just funny. Anyways, like I said, we're going to Sagawa. We'll pick it up from there. Look at this, the fender's almost as big as May. Be careful. Okay, so I've just gotten home and today was a fun day. Getting to show Hal around and stuff was awesome, and then obviously just getting to talk to him about business and things like that. And yeah, it was a really good day. I know this vlog was kind of like a little bit like, you know, seeing the same kind of content. I know a lot of you OG guys have seen Tomei Factory a fair bit in previous videos, but it's always cool to kind of like just get a refresh and see what's going on behind the scenes at the Tomei Powered Factory, which is really awesome. Especially like for Hal to actually see where like a lot of the products for his SR came from and what was happening behind the scenes there for him. I think he really appreciated that, which was awesome. So yeah, anyways, today was awesome. Got a whole bunch of stuff done. Even got to shoot some more for the UPGARAGE documentary that I'm doing. So got to work on that again tonight. I'm going to actually edit this video and then start working again on the UPGARAGE documentary. There's so much to get done there. Tomorrow I have a whole bunch of stuff planned. Got to go pick up another whole lot of stock from Oka-chan at Yoshio Factory, so it's always good to go there. And then I'm probably going to do some more shooting for the UPGARAGE documentary. There's a lot of stuff going on and I'm trying not to like show it in the vlog, so it's one big surprise when it comes out. It's going to be a super good video, and I really am just trying to pull my finger out of my ass really and try and just like get everything done before I leave, because when I'm in Australia I've got no chance in working on that video. I really need my rig for that, and working on it with my MacBook would just suck. So yeah, cool. Anyways, thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get a SAMMIT sticker, links in the description. Check out the Patreon, join the Discord, something else, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ja mata ne.